This is a tutorial for Qustodio time limit usage. Here you will see that you can set a usage schedule. Make sure that the usage schedule is switched to yes if you would like to set up a time schedule for usage. You can set time limits for each day of the week. We'll be able to say what time the internet apps are used, allowed by setting up and restricting hours. Restricted hours will be shown in red. Allowed hours will be shown in gray. Below usage schedule, you will find time allowance. Here you can set up the amount of time a device can be used per day, regardless of what time it is. For instance, a user can use the internet and apps for 2 hours on Monday. After the 2 hours are up, the user will be blocked from using the internet and internet-used apps. This is a great feature for teaching time management. The user will have to learn to utilize their time online wisely and be productive with time. Next to the time allowance area, you will find the device lock section. Here you will have the option to lock navigation, lock device, and alert me. Lock navigation prevents internet access but allows offline device use. Lock device prevents both online and offline use. Alert me will send you an email every time your user is done. This is the conclusion of our tutorial, and I hope it has been helpful.